Dear students, we are going to discuss the subject restructured power system. In this subject, we will discuss the first of introduction, what is the objective, scope and outcome of this subject. Second unit is the introduction to restructuring of power industry. In this, we will discuss the what are the regions, what are the concept of restructuring process, fundamental of economics, consumer and supplier behavior, the philosophy of market models, what is the monopoly model, single buyer model, wholesale competition model, transmission congestion management, transfer capability, importance of congestion management, effect of congestion, ancillary service management, types and start capability service, provision of ancillary services. In last, we will discuss the pricing of transmission network usage and market power. Introduction to transmission pricing, principle of transmission pricing, classification of transmission pricing, all these topic we will cover in this subject. Before we starting the subject, we will understand the what is the meaning of power system. The electricity is generated by generator, then it is step up by the transformer, then it is transmitted at the substation, it is step down, and the feeder it is again step down and distributed to the consumer. There are three parts: generation, transmission and distribution. This whole system is called the power system. Our subject name is the restructured power system. Meaning is that we want to restructure the existing system, power system. The restructuring of the power industry aims at abolishing the monopoly in the generation and trading sector, thereby introducing competition at various levels. Wherever it is possible, generating companies may enter into contract to supply the generated power to the power dealers, distributor or bulk consumers, or sell the power in a pool in which the power broker and customer also participate. In a power exchange, the buyer can bid for their demand along with their willingness to pay. Power generation and trading will thus become free from the conventional regulation and more competitive. Electricity sector restructuring, also popularly known as deregulation, is expected to draw private investment, increase efficiency, promote technical growth, improve customer satisfaction as different parties compete with each other to win their market share and remain in business. The, the power system restructuring is expected to offer a wide range of benefit to the consumers. However, it possesses several technical challenges with respect to conceptualization and integrated operation. Basic issue of ensuring an economical, secure and stable operation of the power system which can deliver the power at desired quality have to be addressed carefully in a deregulated market. Restructured power market is also called in different names: re-regulated market, open power market, competitive power market, vertically unbundled power system, open access. These are the common term names. Now, what is the objective, scope and outcome of this course? The objective of this course is the understanding the concept of deregulation of various power systems across the world distinguishes feature of electricity as a commodity. Second is the level of competition, the marketplace mechanism, sector-wise changes required, reason for restructuring of power industry, explain restructuring process, entities involved, market equilibrium, consumer and supplier surplus. Basic, this is the objective of this course. What is the scope? We will get the better service, cheaper electricity, efficient capacity for expansion planning. We have the definitely more choices as the competition will increase, cost minimization, and when we will read all these units, all the concept of the restructuring, then we will able to explain the need of restructuring of power system as well as technologically and economic reform required in regulated monopoly system to implement the same, to analyze and identify issue of transmission congestion, ancillary service management, market design that can be faced while restructuring a power system, to compare the method of congestion management, market model and pricing scheme, identify the best suitable solution for its problem. This is a basic with the mainly outcome of these this subject. These are the some text and reference book which can be used for this subject. Restructured electrical power system operation, trading and volatility. The publisher is VH Publishing House. Operation of restructured power system, Kankar Bhattacharya. Making competition work in electricity, John Wiley and Sons. Power system economics, designing markets for electricity, Stephen Soft, John and Wiley. These books we can refer as a text and as a reference. Thank you.